So as a general rule, we're just going to follow the box there that I just highlighted. We're going to use a median if there is an outlier, the mean if there are no outliers, and the mode if the data is categorical, which means non-numerical, such as eye color, that kind of thing. So the first one, the following histogram here, gives this value. Which one is the best one? Well, we have this outlier. Still informally that an outlier, there is a mathematical calculation, but we're just going to look at it as a number that's really far away from the rest of the group. We got that number out there that's around 1,000 or so, and that's really far away from the rest of the group. So that means, using our little chart here, the best center of tendency, measure of center of tendency would be the median. So we'll just say the median for this one. The next one I put in here is almost like a little trick here, the middle graph. Notice that the graph is pretty symmetrical. There are no outliers. So we would actually use all three here. That's what they're going to be expecting, all three. We can use the median because there are no outliers. We can use the mean because there are no outliers. We can use the median because because it's pretty symmetrical. We can also use the mode because if we take the mode, which is about right here in the middle, that does kind of represent the information relatively accurate. And the next two, we got tables, or list of charts here, and the same idea applies for this number set. We look at these numbers. All these numbers are pretty close to each other, so there is no outlier. So that means that, hey, we can use the mean there. And the last one, we got this at the end of each delivery. The service conducts a survey to gauge customer satisfaction. 5. These are actually categories, so that means we want to use mode. Because the numbers aren't, like saying you're 3 versus a 1 doesn't mean you're 3 times less than happy or more happy. They're just little categories because we could have called them A, B, C, D, E. So mode because it's categorical. If you have any kind of questions, please email me.